Hi guys, welcome back to the automation point. So today's session agenda is XPath expression and description. As I have discussed in the previous section session, we will show you the same expression and description. And next, write the XPath in the Chrome browser using the development tool. So for the to write the XPath in the Firefox browser, I use the Firebug and Firepath. But in the Chrome driver, we will not use any other plugins. Just we will use the development tool to write down the XPath expression and to verify the XPath expression in Chrome browsers. Let's start XPath expression and its description, guys. So as I discussed in the previous chapter, to explain you about the XPath expression, we have taken some XPath expression and what its description is. So already I have described you the what this for single slash, what the double slash, and what all these all expression is. So to see that, you can refer our previous video, that is the how to write the XPath expression in the Chrome browser. So let's start with writing the XPath expression in Firefox. In the Chrome browser. So in the Chrome browser, if you want to write the XPath of any element, what you need to do? Just you need the development tools. So development tools is the it's a built-in feature of the each and every browsers. So to open the development tools, what you can do? You can do the right click, okay, and click on inspect. Okay, this development tool, let's see, this development tool will open, and with the help of this development tool, you can explore the element HTML hierarchy, each and every element HTML codes, and you can see its property and write the XPath expression. So to open the development tools, either you go right click and inspect on the element, or use the F12 button of your keyboard. So I use the F12 button. You can see now we can see the development tool is open for us. So now I want to explore about the HTML component of all the HTML code of this page. So to see the HTML code of the any elements, let's click on here and go on that element. Okay, as you click on the element, you can see that it's showing its HTML component of that element, that is the span and class, what is the all the property that it has, class and text is username. So again, if you will want to see the HTML component of the any other elements, let's see. I want to see the HTML component of this element, this complete login button. So here it is the input tag and having the proper attribute type, name, class, ID, and value. Okay, so this is the how we can open the development tool and how we can navigate in the HTML codes of any elements. Okay, so let's see, if you want to write the XPath expression. So in our description, I have taken the XPath expression of this one element. So let's see how we will write the XPath expression in Chrome browser. So to write the XPath expression, just open the console, and here you will get the editor. So in this editor, you can write your XPath expression, and you can verify that XPath expression also. So let's see, if we want to write the XPath expression of this one text field, so click here, and let's see here this text field is inside this div component, having the div username, and input is one tag is input and another is span. This span is only for this username text. So if you want to take the complete text field, let's hover on this, and you can say it's showing the whole input text field. Okay, so let's see the what all the properties this text field have. It is the input tag, and it has the proper attribute name, and its string is text user, ID, text user, and type text. So here you have the name and ID, both are the constant. Okay, so you can use this name and ID, any of this property, to write the XPath expression. So let's see how we will write the XPath expression in Chrome browser. To write down the XPath expression, just you need to, in the Chrome browser, here in the console you can type dollar. So you can type dollar, and inside the dollar take $X and put the bracket, and inside the bracket put double quote, and in this double quote you can write your XPath expression. Okay, so in the slides I explained you, to write the relative XPath expression we use the double slash. Okay, so double slash, what it do, it bypass all the nodes and start our XPath to searching for the node that we specifies after this double slash. So here I want to write the XPath of this username text field. So what we want, we will bypass all the elements like div and previous, all the tags, just start here and find this element, this element in HTML. Okay, so what we will do, we will put a double slash, nice, and the tag name is that we want to find out is input. So put here input. Okay, and put the square bracket. Inside a square bracket you need to put the @ and the properties and name of the attribute by which you want to write the XPath expression and locate this element. So here let us take the name as attribute. So here I will put the name equal to, and in single quote you can put the name properties strings. Just copy from here and put it here, okay, as a string, and you can do enter. Okay, once you did enter, you can see here it is showing this one, just one element here. If you will open it, it is showing that we have the 0 element, one length 1. It is showing an array having the length 1, and it's starting with the index 0. So on the index, if you are hovering on the index 0, it is highlighting that text field, and if you will click here, it will highlight the respective HTML code of that element. So you can verify, you have wrote your XPath, and you can verify that what is the relevant XPath. So here if you will click on the 0 indexed elements of this array, it is highlighting the XTML code, and at the same way it is highlighting that element on the web page. So in this way you can highlight, you can verify your locators. If the XPath you have written have the multiple element, okay, then it will come, will we get listed here 0 1 2 3. I will show you in the next example how it will list it. Okay, so this is the how we will write the XPath expression in the Chrome browser. So same way, boy guys, you can try with the each and every expression that I have written over here. So you can write the XPath expression with any tag, and you will get the multiple, whatever the name value of the tag, whatever the number of the tag on the page. Same way you can take the attribute, and you can exercise for these all XPath to write here. Just what you need to do, just put the $X and bracket, or inside that bracket you can put a double quote, and inside double quote you can pass your HTML string. So let's see, if we want to find the multiple element, let's come on the Facebook. Here we have this link, these all are the different link. Okay, so we want to write the XPath, one single XPath that will refer all these element, all these links. So how we will, let's see how we can write it. Again on this page you can go right click, inspect. Okay, this development tool is get open. Okay, now what you can do, click here and hover on this element. It is showing all the elements. You can show it in detail, and what is the HTML hierarchy and code in the one div. we have the UL, and inside the UL we have the LI, and inside the LI we have a link. Okay, so we want to list out all the link. We try to write one XPath that will list out all the links. So what we will do, again go on the console and here write, let's see, I will write dollar X, okay, bracket, and inside the bracket you can put double quote, and inside double quote we can write our XPath expression. So we will take first div. Okay, so start with the div and give that div as a tag name, and again start a square bracket. Inside that you can put @ and the ID. Okay, and we will take this ID string. Okay, just copy this string and pass, put equal to, and in single quote you can pass this string. Now we have pointed to the this div page footer. Now I want to write down the all the LI. So we just bypass all the elements in between the div and this LI, all these LI tags. What we will do, again we will put double slash and mention here LI. Okay, and inside the LI we want to, inside that LI we need to go in link, just immediate link. So we will put once / and E. Now you can do the enter. Okay, as I explained, if you will do the enter over here and it open here, so what it is saying, yeah, come here. Yeah, you can scroll it here. So what you can see here, the list of the element that is starting from the index, it has given the array with the list of the element. So here hover on the first element, open this one element, it is showing Marathi. Next this one, like that, it is listing all that links of this page. So this is the single XPath expression. This one is the single XPath expression that we can use to list all these links, language links of the Facebook homepage. Okay guys, so I think it is making sense to you. So to do the exercise, you can take the any login page and you can go with this all XPath expression, and we have already the example given here, and try with this example and just try and verify that it is locating to the expected XPath element or not. So in this way you can write the XPath in the Chrome browser. Okay guys, thank you so much guys. Please subscribe Automation Point channel to keep getting automation update. Thank you once again guys.